In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add impediments to a Jira story or task. This is an essential skill for managing projects effectively in Jira, as it helps ensure that any blockages or issues are properly documented and addressed by your team. So let's get started. To begin, navigate to the project you're working on. As you open Jira, you'll be greeted by a list of your current projects. Simply select the project you need to update. Now, once you're inside your project, you'll want to go to the board or backlog where the story or task is located. This is the central hub where all your current work items are neatly displayed. Take a moment to carefully find the specific story or task that requires an impediment to be noted. Once you've pinpointed the right story or task, the next step is to open it. This action will bring up all the relevant details related to this task, including its status, description, and any existing notes or comments. This detailed view is crucial, as it provides you with the necessary space to document the impediment. As you look at the top or side of this view, you'll notice an option labeled Add Content situated right under the issue's name. Clicking on Add Content will present you with a variety of options. From here, you'll want to choose Linked Work Item from these available options. Adding a linked work item is a way to connect two Jira items, indicating that they have a relationship that needs to be acknowledged and managed. After selecting Linked Work Item, you'll notice a fresh section called Linked Work Items appearing in your issue details. This new section serves as your workspace for specifying the kind of connection you're setting up. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu from which you need to select the option labeled Blocks. This particular option signifies that the issue you're linking is acting as a blockage or an impediment to completing the task at hand. Now it's time to search for the blocking issue or the specific impediment. Use keywords or IDs to efficiently locate the issue within your project. Be meticulous in ensuring that you are selecting the correct issue that truly represents the real blockage or impediment for your story or task. Once you have found it, proceed to select the blocking issue you wish to link. Finally, with everything in order, hit the Link button to complete the process. This action establishes a clear connection between your task or story and the impediment, signaling to the team that there is an issue that requires attention. Once linked, it becomes easier for your team to prioritize this impediment and work toward finding solutions, helping keep your project on track. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added an impediment to a Jira story or task, a simple yet critical action to ensure smooth project progression. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Jira tips and tricks.